Joe Zekas from YoChicago.com. I am with the irrepressible Dan McDonough.
Wow.
From Planned Property at 500 West Belmont, just steps from Lake Michigan.
500 West Belmont. Perfect location, like you said, close to the lake, close to those buses to get you downtown, but very, very walkable to both the red and brown lines, and the purple line for that matter, at Belmont and Sheffield. But Joe, I told you walking over here that 500 West Belmont is one of Planned Property Management's best kept secrets. You know, you don't hear about it a lot because we usually don't have a lot of availabilities here. But really, really large convertible studios, huge one-bedrooms, can accommodate a California king bed, updated kitchens, in a very quiet setting. Yes, I know I'm on Belmont, but it's a recessed building, kind of a modern mid-rise elevator building, only 8 units per floor. So super, super quiet, super pristine building. I love 500 Belmont. This is our standard upgraded kitchen, available in any of our rental buildings. IKEA cabinetry. They come in either white or kind of a cherry wood finish. But look really good. They look really high-tech, really... I think the white looks great. It really brightens up the apartment. And as always, Joe, 2 things that you're going to get in any planned property. The ample closet space. Really generous closets, be it a studio or a 1-bedroom, plenty of closet space. And our bathrooms, you know, ceramic tile, always updated, always clean, always super white. So there you have it, Joe. A pristine, quiet, livable, large apartment. Quiet, and yet in the middle of all the action, right on Belmont. You can't do better than 500 West Belmont.